Hello everyone, my name is Patricia from Lettering and Me, and today I'm sharing a super fun project, how to decorate the inner cover of your bullet journal. As you can see, I do this with every Archer and Olive notebook that I have, and it doesn't matter the size or the medium. I just love opening my journal and not finding a blank page, but a personalized cover. For today's post, I'll be using my favorite notebook size. It's an 8x8 and this time is the Lighthouse Dot Grid notebook model. Also, I'll be using the Cool Fall acrylograph, a pencil, an eraser, fine liners, various sizes, and one of them is a very light gray color. A Caring brush marker, black color, so let's get started. So the first thing that I did was a rough sketch of the flowers. I was inspired to do poppies, but I'm pretty sure that this is only my interpretation of a poppy flower. And I started filling with the main color. For me, it's red because I wanted to match the notebook. And one of the things that I love about this particular notebook is its color. I drew small spaces, petal by petal, making sure that the acrylograph had enough ink so I could draw as smooth as possible. It was a very long process, but I really enjoyed it. As I was drawing, I was thinking about the color distribution because I was clear that I didn't want to fill all the flowers with color. I wanted the red color to be the most used. But I also wanted to maintain some evenness in the drawing. So you can see me point some of the flowers, deciding which one I was going to fill, and also took the time to rearrange and better position the sketch flowers. Then I started to add more colors, the blue and the light beige, allowing to fully dry before doing the black center of the flower. I started to do the petals with the light gray fine liner. As you can see, this color was very subtle and allowed me to enhance the acrylograph base. And with that, add details in the same shade of color. After finishing the first color flowers, I started drawing the black and white ones. The trick here is starting with a big fine liner size tip. In this case, I was using the 0.8 tip. Then when you want to do the details, you can move to a smaller tip. I used the 0.1 and the 0.03 tip. And let me tell you that this kind of detail really makes the flower to pop. I started to add the stems because they were a big part of the composition. And from here, just relax and draw the whole cover. The whole process took me about 2 to 3 hours to complete. As usual, I always like to add these like little stars and dots to go with the lettering, and with that I'm finished. I really love opening my notebook and seeing that it's truly unique and beautiful and handmade by myself. If you like this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments if it's something that you would like to try out. Thanks for watching. Bye!